In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on Webflow websites. If you're working in the Webflow designer and want to drop in a YouTube or Vimeo video, this process is quick, reliable, and fully responsive when set up correctly. I'll walk you through it and share a few tips along the way so your video looks great on every screen. First, open the Add panel. In the designer, look to the top left and click the plus icon to reveal all the available elements. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the designer, not the editor. You can scroll through the categories or simply use the search bar at the top to find what you need faster. Next, add the video element. You'll find it under the media section. Click and drag the video element onto your canvas and drop it exactly where you want it to live. For clean layouts, consider placing it inside a section container or a grid or flex wrapper you're already using. You'll see a blue highlight to help you position it precisely. Now connect your video. Double-click the video element on the canvas or select it and open the element settings panel by pressing the D key. You'll see a field to paste your video's share URL. Grab the share link from YouTube or Vimeo and paste it in. You don't need the full embed code, just the standard share URL. If the video is set to private or restricted from embedding, it may not display. Update the video's privacy settings on the platform if needed. After pasting, Webflow will automatically pull in the thumbnail and the player. Time to style it. Head to the Style panel to control size, spacing, and alignment. A simple approach is to set the width to 100% so it fills its parent container and use a max width on that parent for comfortable reading width. Center it by setting left and right margins to auto, and adjust top and bottom margins for breathing room. If you're using a grid or flex layout, align the element using those controls for perfect placement. Don't forget to check your breakpoints. Switch to tablet and mobile views and tweak sizing so the video remains clear and proportionate on smaller screens. When you're happy with the look, publish your site. Click Publish in the top right corner, choose your domain, and wait for the changes to go live. Open the live link and confirm the video loads, plays smoothly, and fits your layout across devices. That's it, your embedded video is ready for visitors.